Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to share Facebook group post on Telegram channel. So here let's say that you are sharing your post in your Facebook group. So here your objective is that whenever you will share a new post in your Facebook group, then you want to share that post as a message in your Telegram channel. So now to do this, you will have to build an integration between these two applications, for which you can use this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here you just have to set up a simple automation where your trigger application will be Facebook and your action application will be Telegram. So to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to share Facebook group posts to Telegram channel. So let's say that you're using Facebook groups to share your post. And here every time there is a new post in your Facebook group, then you want this post to be shared on your Telegram channel as a new message. So now this can be done by using an amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here as an existing user, I will sign into my Pabbly Connect account. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and you will get 100 tasks for free every month. So as an existing user, I'm signing in. So this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. Here I will click on access now to reach my dashboard. Now this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. And now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as share Facebook group post to Telegram channel. So here on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook groups. So here I'm going to click on create. As I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So moving to my use case, that is to share Facebook group post to Telegram channel. So here in my trigger window, I'm going to use Facebook groups as my trigger application, and here it is. And then the trigger event will be new post. So this trigger will start working whenever a new post will be submitted on the group. So here I'm selecting it. And now here once I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event, now I need to establish a connection between Facebook and Pabbly Connect. So to do that, I will click on connect. Here a help desk is also given, so you can read it for the same. So here I'm going to click on connect. And if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same or simply add a new connection. So to add a new connection, I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. So here I will simply click on connect with Facebook groups. And now I will click on continue as this is a secure access. And the authorization was successful. Here Facebook groups is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So now moving further with group and limit. So here I need to select the group where I will be sharing the post. Then moving to limit, here I need to enter the limit of the new post that is to be fetched on each and every execution. So now here in groups, in this drop down you can see that these are the groups which I have. So here in Facebook, I will go to groups. And then in groups, I will go to yoga sessions and I want to create a post in this group. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm selecting the group as yoga sessions. So I'm searching for it over here and here it is. So once I've selected the group, now I need to select the limit. So as of now, I'm going to select the limit as 1. So as I've selected my group and limit, now I need to share a post in the group so that the response of the post can be captured over here. So that means as soon as I will click on the save and send test request button, a response will be received back once the process will be completed. So here in this Facebook group of mine, I'm going to share a post. So here you can see that I have entered the post which I want to share. So here the title is importance of health and fitness, and here is the content for the same. So here I've added the content for the post which I want to share in this group. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on save and send test request. And now here I'm going to click on post. So the post is shared successfully. Now I will take you to my Pabbly Connect account. So here in Pabbly Connect, I have received a response. So here you can see the group name, that was yoga sessions. Here this is the group ID and this is the message. So over here you can see the title, that was importance of health and fitness, and this is the content. So that means the post which I have shared in my Facebook group. So that is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. The first step of this automation is successfully set up. That means now whenever a new post will be shared in Facebook groups, then automatically that post will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes. So our trigger application is a polling based one. So here moving further with my use case, as I want to share this group post to my Telegram channel. So here in this action window, I'm going to search for Telegram bot for my action application, and here it is. So now the action event will be to send a text message or reply. So here I need to establish a connection between Telegram bot and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can go with the same, or you can simply add a new connection. So to add a new connection, you need to mention the token, and now read this help desk given below carefully, because this will tell you that how you can get the token. So firstly, you need to go to your Telegram account and then you have to search for bot father. Once you have searched for the bot father, then you need to send a message that goes as /new bot. Then you need to provide a username for your bot, and then you will receive a message from bot father containing the token. So let me show you how this process will be done. So here this is my Telegram account, and here I'm going to search for bot father. So here this is bot father. Now I'm going to click on start. And as instructed in Pabbly Connect, I need to send the /new bot message. So here I'm sending it. Now once this is sent, now I need to give a name to my bot. That will be FB group. And now I'm going to send it. So now I need to select a username for my bot. So that will be group FB _ bot. So make sure you also follow the same format while creating a username for your bot. So here I've created the bot username as group FB _ bot, and I'm going to send it. So here you can see that a new bot has been created and I can access the bot through this link. And this here is the access token which I needed. So here I'm going to copy it, going back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to paste the same, and then I will click on save. So here you can see that Telegram bot and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. Now I want to share this Facebook group post as a message in my Telegram channel. So here in my Telegram account, firstly, I will bring this bot into my conversation. So here I'm clicking on the link and then I will click on start. So here you can see that the bot is in my conversations. Now I will create a new group where I want to share the Facebook post as a message. So here I'm going to create a new group, and here I'm going to add the bot as one of the members. So here you can see that I have added the bot as the member, and now I'm going to give the group a name. So here I'm naming the group as Facebook group posts. So this is the name of the group, and now here I'm going ahead. So here you can see that a new channel has been created. So now I need to give the admin access to the bot, and the same can be done by using your phone. So now here I'm going to give the admin access to my bot. So here you can see that I have given the admin access to the bot. So now as I want to share the Facebook group post over here in this channel, so I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I need to mention the chat ID firstly. So from this URL, I'm going to copy the chat ID. So here's the chat ID, I'm copying it, going back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm pasting the same. So now once this is done, now I need to enter the text message. So here from the response received, so this is the post which I have shared on my Facebook group. So I have mapped it successfully. Now this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken over consideration into these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as the details are mapped, so scrolling down here, I'm simply going to click on save and send test request to see the response. And here you can see that I have received a response and this is a positive response. Now I will take you to my Telegram channel, and over here in this channel you can see that the Facebook group post which was shared, that is successfully sent as a message over here in this channel. So this automation and integration was a successful one. Now whenever a new post will be shared in the Facebook group, then automatically it will be sent as a message in Telegram channel. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.